Good morning, YouTube. Are you ready for a data adventure? Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of bioinformatics. What is bioinformatics, you ask? Well, it's a field that combines biology, computer science, and statistics to analyze and interpret complex biological data. From DNA sequencing to protein structures, bioinformatics plays a critical role in unlocking the secrets of the living world. So, buckle up and get ready for a wild ride through the amazing data journey that is bioinformatics. Introducing bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary field that merges the biological sciences with computer science, statistics, and mathematics. Its aim is to develop and apply computational tools to manage, analyze, and interpret biological data, ultimately leading to a better understanding of biological systems and the development of new treatments for various diseases. 1. The integration of key scientific fields, including biology, chemistry, mathematics, and computer science. 2. Utilizing computer-based technologies and statistical techniques for the purpose of managing and analyzing large amounts of biological data, including DNA, RNA, and protein sequences, protein structures, gene expression profiles, and protein interactions. 3. Involves the development of databases designed to store and retrieve biological data. Algorithms and statistical methods for analyzing and establishing connections in biological data. Statistical tools capable of identifying, interpreting, and mining data sets. Bioinformatics paradigm. The bioinformatics paradigm is a way of thinking about how to analyze and interpret biological data using computational methods. It involves combining knowledge from different fields, such as biology, computer science, and statistics, to develop algorithms and software tools for managing and analyzing large data sets. The field of bioinformatics is founded on the concept of utilizing computational tools and techniques to better understand biological systems. This interdisciplinary approach involves the integration of knowledge and methods from multiple disciplines, including biology, computer science, statistics, and mathematics. The fundamental aim of bioinformatics is to extract meaningful information from vast amounts of biological data and use it to gain insights into biological phenomena. By leveraging the power of technology, bioinformatics has revolutionized the way we study and understand the living world, enabling us to explore complex biological questions with greater accuracy and efficiency. Some further definitions include the following perspectives when viewing bioinformatics. Genomic-related bioinformatics activities that center around chromosome mapping, sequencing, and investigating gene functionality through both functional and structural genomics approaches. A seamless progression stemming from the intersection of computer and biological sciences. Why is bioinformatics important? Bioinformatics aids in the following: gaining a deeper comprehension of the connections, arrangement, and layout of biological data in a more expedited manner than traditional biotechniques. Exploring and addressing fundamental biological challenges. History. The history of bioinformatics can be traced back to the early 1960s, when researchers first began using computers to store and analyze biological data. In the 1970s, the first protein and DNA sequence databases were created, and the development of algorithms for sequence alignment and comparison laid the foundation for modern bioinformatics. In the 1980s and 1990s, the advent of PCR technology and high-throughput sequencing led to explosive growth in biological data, and the need for powerful computational tools to manage and analyze it. Key discoveries during this time included the development of the BLAST algorithm for sequence similarity searching, the creation of the GenBank and SwissProt databases, and the mapping of the human genome. In the 2000s and beyond, bioinformatics has continued to evolve, with the rise of machine learning and deep learning algorithms and the development of new tools for analyzing data from diverse sources such as gene expression microarrays and mass spectrometry. Today, bioinformatics plays a critical role in almost every aspect of biological research and has led to numerous breakthroughs in fields such as medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology. If you are new here, a warm welcome. We are a group of retired professors behind Team BioTech Whisperer making bite-sized videos for life sciences. So, if you're ready, let's dive into the world of science and learn more about these fascinating life science topics. Genomics. One of the key areas where bioinformatics is making a significant impact is in genomics. With the advent of next-generation sequencing technologies, we can now sequence an individual's entire genome in a matter of days, generating vast amounts of data. Bioinformatics plays a critical role in processing and analyzing this data, allowing researchers to identify genetic variations that are associated with diseases, predict the likelihood of developing a particular disease, and develop new therapies based on an individual's genetic makeup. Proteomics. Another area where bioinformatics is proving to be useful is in proteomics. Proteomics is the large-scale study of proteins, their structures, and functions. By using computational tools, researchers can identify and characterize proteins, determine their functions, and study their interactions with other molecules. This knowledge can then be used to develop new drugs or treatments for diseases. Microbiome. Bioinformatics is also being used to study the microbiome, the collection of microorganisms that live in and on the human body. By analyzing the genetic sequences of these microorganisms, researchers can gain insights into their role in health and disease. This information can then be used to develop new therapies, such as probiotics, that target specific microbial communities to improve health outcomes. Popular databases. Bioinformatics heavily relies on databases for storing and retrieving large amounts of biological data. There are many databases available, each with its own unique features and advantages. Some of the most popular databases used in bioinformatics include GenBank, the Nucleotide Sequence Database, DNA Databank of Japan, SwissProt, TRMBL, Protein Databank, Macromolecular Structure Database, PubMed, and Medline. These databases provide a wealth of information on nucleic acid and protein sequences, structures, and interactions, as well as literature related to biological research. Access to these databases has greatly facilitated the work of bioinformaticians and researchers in the field. Challenge. One of the challenges facing bioinformatics is the sheer volume of data generated from high-throughput sequencing technologies. With the exponential growth of data, and who will make sense of all that data? To address this challenge, bioinformaticians are developing new algorithms and tools to process and analyze large data sets efficiently. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are also being used to develop predictive models that can identify patterns and relationships within complex biological data. The pace at which biological data is expanding is remarkable, and it is anticipated to escalate further as sequencing, data gathering, and storage become less expensive. An interesting comparison can be made between the growth rates of biological data and the number of bioinformaticians capable of managing and analyzing the data. However, the crucial question remains, who will connect all the pieces and make biological sense of this data? Collaboration. For many researchers, the only option is to hand over their research to a bioinformatician or team and await results. Nevertheless, bioinformaticians may not always provide satisfactory outcomes right away due to numerous variables, including data generation and experimental planning. Deciphering the data. Bioinformatics is utilized in a range of genomic tests, with genome sequencing and whole genome sequencing, WGS, in particular, owing to the considerable quantity of data generated from a person's genome. Once a sample is collected from a patient and their DNA is extracted, it is sequenced by a machine to produce a set of data files. At this point, bioinformatics comes into play. These files are subsequently filtered and examined by bioinformaticians using pipelines, each with a distinct and specialized set of steps, depending on the clinical query and the type of sample that has been sequenced. The output of the bioinformatician's efforts is a list of annotated variations, which will be further evaluated by a clinical scientist to generate a clinical report. This report is personalized to each individual case, with the objective of guiding the healthcare management of the patient and their family. It is crucial to bear in mind, however, that outcomes may not always be conclusive. Challenging areas in bioinformatics. This includes two key areas, namely data management and knowledge discovery. For data management, it involves the incorporating of substantial quantities of biological data. We also need to review the necessity for effectively handling and merging the current biological databases. As for the knowledge discovery, we realized that the conversion of colossal amounts of biological data into beneficial information and valuable knowledge is challenging. It involves uncovering and comprehending intriguing patterns that are concealed within trillions of genetic and other biological data. Technologies used in bioinformatics. To manage big data and to support drug discovery, we are seeing platform technologies that enable screening and modeling. Tools are developed to assist the prediction of protein structure, and these tools involve refining the algorithms and developing new statistical tools to better curate and handle the large data set that researchers are facing in the modern experimental data trench pending analyses. Knowledge discovery. Knowledge discovery in bioinformatics refers to the process of transforming large and complex biological data sets into valuable knowledge and insights. With the explosive growth of biological data, it has become increasingly challenging to extract meaningful information from the vast amount of data generated. However, by applying advanced computational techniques such as data mining, machine learning, and statistical analysis, bioinformaticians can identify patterns, relationships, and trends within the data, leading to the discovery of new knowledge and scientific breakthroughs. Knowledge discovery is essential in bioinformatics as it enables scientists to better understand biological systems and develop new treatments and therapies for various diseases. Bioinformatics, where we are relating to artificial intelligence. There has been a lot of interest in artificial intelligence, AI, due to its potential to replicate human intelligence and analyze complex data. The research community is particularly excited about two major subsets of AI: machine learning and deep learning. They offer promising opportunities for applications in various fields. AI has become a topic of interest in both bioinformatics research and computational molecular biology. AI algorithms are being explored as a means of managing records, selecting appropriate methods for data analysis, and aiding in the interpretation of large volumes of data through the use of computer technology. Summary. In summary, bioinformatics is a rapidly growing field that is revolutionizing the way we study and understand biological systems. By developing and applying computational tools to biological data, we can gain new insights into the underlying mechanisms of diseases, develop new treatments and therapies, and ultimately improve human health. Like and subscribe. So, that's a brief overview of bioinformatics research. I hope you found it informative and that you're as excited about the future of bioinformatics as I am. Please like and subscribe the channel for future updates.